You don't have to. Thank you. Thank you. You don't have.
Excuse me, Mel. Mel, did you drop this envelope of money? Did you drop this envelope of money?
No.
You didn't?
No, you didn't.
Oh, yep. I gave you a gift card because I was doing a social experiment for you being honest. Yes, thank you for being
No,
honest.
thank you. Thank you.
You don't.
have to.
Why didn't you take it?
No, you don't have to. Thank you. Thank you. You don't have
Are you
to.
sure?
Yeah. Sure. Thank you.
Okay, okay,
You
okay.
give it to someone needed.
Okay. You used that gift card for that. The person I bought it for didn't want it.